Hello and welcome back, kids. Let's learn the alphabets P, Q, and R. Capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, and small r. Alphabet P, P. P is for penguin. P is for pencil. Let's trace the capital P. Trace the small p. Fabulous! Pronounce with me, P, P. Very good. The alphabet Q. Q is for quail. Q is for quiet. Now let's trace the capital Q. Trace the small q. Amazing! Let's pronounce it Q, Q. Great job! The alphabet R. R is for rainbow. R is for rooster. Let's trace the capital R. Now trace the small r. Tremendous! Let's pronounce it R, R. Awesome! We have learned and traced the alphabets P, Q, and R. That was so much fun! Rooster starts with R. Penguin starts with P. Quail starts with Q. Grande! Thank you for watching. See you soon. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Bye bye.